And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to write in a circle in Adobe Photoshop. I've got a simple white background. We need the ellipse tool. Make sure that you've got path selected up here in the drop down menu. Then left click, drag, and I hold shift to have this circle created. We're going to use the type tool, and if you hover above the path, your icon changes. When it does, left click and you've got your placeholder text. I'll replace it with some random text. Want to select it all, press Ctrl A and then use the font weight function up here in the top menu. I use the arrow keys. When you've got what you want, just click the check icon. You can size the circle up and down by pressing Ctrl T. And if you want to adjust the type, just use the path selection tool. It's a bit tricky, but if you drag it inwards, the text is now inside of the circle, and if you drag it outwards, it's outside, and you can drag these end and starting points to make the text appear in a certain area. Obviously you can use other paths as well. It's the same process. And this is how you can write in a circle in Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.